Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Catton AI token. Ticker symbol is Catton, C-A-T-T-O-N. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 6th. On a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Catton AI token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is Catton.ai. Over there you can find a game. There's also a Twitter, a Telegram. There's all sorts of links on here as well. They have a Google Drive document, looks like how many pages? 32 pages. It says a docsend.com link that you can go over like a white paper if you like there as well. And yeah, so this token here, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 6th. At 10 a.m. UTC time, the Catton AI token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search CATTON and then simply just buy the token. Now I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project at Catton TW. It says artificial intelligence powered play for every gamer on Telegram. Cooking up artificial intelligence NPCs on the BNB chain. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find them on BSC Scan, and it says 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 9,500,000,000,000 tokens according to their BSC Scan there. And yeah, so they have a whole bunch of different telegrams here. So one of them is at Catton Chat. You can find a lot of these in the link tree up there. And if you just go to Catton Chat, there's also another link tree that's going to take you to the other telegrams, the website, the Twitter's listed on there. So yeah, Catton Chat has 172,056 members. 3,866 of them are online right now. So that telegram right there, that one's a great one to discuss the project with other community members and ask questions, talk about the project, that type of thing. And then listed on that telegram, the AI community chat telegram, is two other ones. There's an announcement channel, so you can click on that one and that will take you over to Catton ANN. And that one has 489,954 Telegram followers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that one's going to be a great place to see updates regarding the project. Just like the Twitter that's in the corner of the screen here, like new partnerships, new token listing announcements like the Mexc Global one, memes, stuff about the game. So they had a hackathon, it says there. They have the full link tree on the Twitter there. They just joined in April 2024, and they have 103,100 Twitter followers, 528 posts, and a blue verified check mark. It says, "Meet AI NPCs evolution. Only the best DNA survives in Cattonverse." And then lastly, we have the game, which you could go over to at Catton AI Bot on Telegram. And this game has 417,813 monthly users. So very popular game, almost 500,000 monthly users. And then on the link tree there, you can also find the website, Trade to Earn, Meow Market, chat group, YouTube channel, Twitter, Telegram, all sorts of links on the link tree there. So make sure you check out the full link tree. Now, it says here, Catton AI is revolutionizing the gaming industry by introducing gaming DNA layers for artificial intelligence agents, a system that tokenizes unique character traits like defense, offense, and predictive capabilities, enabling players to enhance gameplay while creating tradable, monetizable assets, integrating AI-driven NPCs and legendary IPs, and fostering immersive player experiences. Now, the webpage here, it says they have 108.6 thousand premium users, 845,000 total players, and 335,000 on-chain transactions. Our mission, AI-powered play for every gamer. By integrating AI agents and leveraging IP memes, Catton AI redefines player interaction with intelligent NPCs that adapts to behavior, delivering personalized challenges, and creates dynamic gameplay, positioning itself as a leader in AI-driven Web3 gaming. They have the AI NPCs training mode, so training NPCs specifically to combat formidable bosses, enhancing their combat skills, strategies, and adaptability through player interactions and simulated scenarios. Now, 10% of the tokens here go to the foundation, 25% goes to liquidity, 10% community ecosystem, 5% market making, 10% user airdrops, 37% goes to the monkey token holders airdrop, so MONKY. I did a video on that token, check that out. 2% Floki airdrops, and 1% ApeCoin Dookie Dash. And this token is audited by Biosin, and you can check that out on their webpage, catton.ai. Now make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one, where this token just got listed, or is being listed tomorrow. And check out all my other videos today, like the Barachain one. There's all sorts of other tokens being listed today and tomorrow on Mexc Global that are very popular, so don't miss those videos. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.